Hello, my name is Mahesh Deshpande. In this video, we are going to see some viewport navigation tools inside Blender. To demonstrate this, I have this scene loaded here of a table lamp. Since this is the 3D scene, we can see the objects from any angle, like so. We can zoom in and out. We can even turn the object shading to wireframe and back to shade. So let's see how we can do this in Blender. Now Blender uses some keyboard and mouse interaction tools for this. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, use the scroll wheel of your mouse, like so. Scroll wheel up and scroll wheel down to zoom in and zoom out respectively. To rotate the viewport, press middle mouse button and drag, like so. If you drag left and right or drag up and down. To pan the viewport, press shift and then use middle mouse button and drag. If you want to see the object from top view, you can press the 7 key on the numerical pad of your keyboard. 7 to go to top view. Likewise, if you press 1 key in the numpad, it will jump to front view. If you press the 3 key on the numpad, you can see the objects from right hand side. So 7 for top view, 1 for front view and 3 key for right hand side view. You can use control along with these keys to see from the opposite angle. For example, 3 key is for right view and control 3 is for left view. 7 for top and control 7 for bottom. 1 for front and control 1 for back. You can switch to a quad view, which I will show you now. If you go to this menu called view and press this button, toggle quad view, Blender will switch the current viewport to 4 sub viewports. You have a top view, a front view, a right view and a free view here, which is right now called camera perspective. You can zoom in and zoom out in any viewport, like so, using the same key. I am using right now the scroll wheel. If you shift and middle click in any viewport, it will pan. Even in this viewport, zoom in by scroll wheel, shift middle click to pan and middle click to rotate. You cannot rotate these views since these are locked to right view, front view and top view respectively. To switch back to the previous one, you can toggle that button again from view menu and toggle quad view. To hide all this area here and maximize the current 3D view, you can use shift spacebar like this. This shortcut applies to anything. If your mouse is accidentally here and then you press shift spacebar, it will maximize this area like so. To come back, you can either click this button called back to previous or press shift spacebar again. This applies everywhere. This concludes the navigation settings of Blender. To see more videos, please visit my blog, which is mahesh0806.wordpress.com. Thank you.